Hello all, this month is Suicide Prevention Month, and so we have a very special guest on our show today. We have April from Save Me From. Hey, thanks for being here.
Hey.
This brand is near and dear to my heart because I have so much hair, and this is all about luxurious hair repair, scalp therapy. So you're also, though, in addition to these incredible products, all of this is working to, advocate for suicide awareness. So April, tell me a little bit about how the brand is involved in this cause.
Yes, so our name is kind of a twofold name. We have the hashtag Save Hair, Save Lives, and that's really because we're working to repair hair from its damage, but we also do a number of different things for suicide prevention, and it is Suicide Prevention Month, and so we really have a lot of content and things that we're talking about. It's a great month to open up that conversation more, but listen, we're doing this year round. But we donate 10% net income to suicide prevention charities such as the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention. We join them in their Out of the Darkness walk and get a team together. We invite people to join us to donate also in addition to the donations that we do. But we actually have a counselor on our team who writes a lot of content on our blog and creates different tools. But then we also have just recently launched it's called QPR Fifth Friday. So QPR is this great method for suicide prevention. It was created by Dr. Paul Quinnett, and he is a psychologist. He has written books on suicide prevention, has done tons of research, partnered with Eli Lilly in the research, but they have a virtual training that they offer. And I am also a trained instructor in QPR. And so that stands for Question, Persuade, Refer. And for me, suicide prevention was something that I didn't really realize that I could do more myself as a friend for someone who I saw was in crisis on how do I talk to them? How do I really, change those myths that are in my head and reach out to a friend. So we have QPR Fifth Friday. It's starting the 5th Friday of October, 1 p.m. Pacific time, 4 p.m. Eastern. You can sign up on our website and you get that QPR training for free.
Especially right now, I've been feeling the need to support brands who are supporting the world. So thank you so much for all that you guys do. I also, in case anyone isn't familiar with the product itself, I would love to demo a little bit of the product because I've been itching to break into this box.
The fun part.
The fun part. So you guys, this is the package. And first you're like, oh cool, Kayla, it's a box, awesome. But oh, look at this. Okay, I'm gonna try and do this also while showing you and not looking. What? Get out of here. It goes all the way around, right? Like incredible. Are you kidding me? It's beautiful. Look at that. So pretty. Okay, April, let's do this. Okay, So tell me, first off, I'll tell you guys, I have a lot of hair and I'm going to take it down so we can do this, but I don't use a lot of hair masks normally because I feel like it's a lot of time, but I think that I'm wrong. So you correct me.
Yes.
Tell me how I should do this.
Ooh, so I'm excited. So first off, we're the mask that's not a mask because you're gonna apply this tip to root. And we call it a tip to root reboot because the clinical studies that we've done on this is phenomenal. It really is bringing your hair back to those virgin hair properties. So for example, this product, 201% more hydration after 3 uses. And the way we always recommend people start off with is an overnight hair mask, because that's where you're really gonna allow those such amazing ingredients to penetrate right in. So you're doing it exactly right. So you're gonna work it from tip to root. I usually recommend that you're applying this on wet hair. So you're gonna get it wet, but it's not gonna be super damp, just like spraying it and then applying.
Yeah, I just did like a little spray before we got on.
Oh yeah, I can totally tell. Your hair is nice and damp, so that's perfect. And then you're gonna work your way up. So reason why you're doing that is because you're applying more at the ends. That hair at the ends is older, it's exposed to more damage, it needs more care. And then as you work your way up, you're applying less and less. The thing about this is that a little bit goes a long way. So like a really good eye cream, you don't need a lot of product. What's really important is time, giving it time to penetrate. And that's why people love it as that overnight hair mask, because it's giving it that time. But then also you can use this as your leave-in. So a lot of people will find this absorbs right into your hair overnight where they can just get up and go. Some people want to rinse it out if their hair is more fine, if it's not as damaged, or if they've applied too much, they may need to shampoo and condition.
I used about 5 pumps for all of this. Does that seem about right? Like, should it feel a certain way?
It is about right. So really what I say is like you're gonna do 1 pump per kind of like section of hair, even when your hair is long and thick like yours. Exactly, and you're gonna work your way up. You might take 1 more pump. I like to say have slightly wet hands, kind of blend it between your hands, and then you can take like any place where you feel like, you know what, I might need a little bit more, kind of brush over it, and then put a little bit in your scalp. So just what's on your fingertips, you can kind of work into your scalp. And what's great about this is, again, this was designed because hair damage can happen anywhere along the hair shaft. So you want to treat that. But most masks are only treating, you know, mid shaft down. But where do you take your straight iron? Where do you dye your hair? It's up here. So you need to treat that hair. And that's what this is going to give you. And it's nice and light, yet really effective, but it's not replacing your shampoo and conditioner. We do have this great hair cap. We are actually donating all the proceeds from to suicide prevention. So it's fantastic. You can pick one of those up. But here's what I challenge you to do. Leave this in overnight. See how your hair feels in the morning. If it feels like it's all absorbed, wear that. This product is going to give you 490-degree heat protection. It's also proven to reduce frizz after 6 hours compared to control 490%. Like fantastic. So fantastic results.
Yeah. So basically it's quite a bit better than any one of you who's just like put olive oil or coconut oil into your hair.
And this is true science. It's miraculous for your hair.
I love it. I actually do have, so give me 1 second. I'm going to put on that little Save Me From cap because I totally forgot to put that. Hold on. This one, right?
Yeah, that's it. Exactly.
Okay. All right,
Yeah.
so I'm just going to throw this on also because it feels like that makes sense.
See, it's good, right? And it can hold like, yeah, bam, chicka, bow,
Wait, so leave this in overnight. Done, done, done.
Done, done, done. Yes. What's great about this, it's not going to sit heavy. And so you can just have that free-flowing, healthy hair a couple days after. But then you're going to take, 2 days after, if you found that you've overdosed on dry shampoo, take your little product overload here. Oh, I'm backwards. Yes. And then that's where True Miraculous comes in for that great cleaning of your hair.
And speaking of product overload, you guys, on the shop this month, if you buy the full-size Save Me From products, you get, bing, one of the milliliters travel size for free. So
it's
get
so
your
awesome.
Save Me From product this month and next month because we're doing that gift with purchase. Very excited about that.
So fun.
So you guys, thank you so much, April, for being here. I'm so stoked about this brand and about the way that my hair is going to look tomorrow. So let's all continue to engage with brands who are making this world a better place. You can keep up with April on our app and, of course, make wholesale inquiries as well to Save Me From on shoplivelovespa.com.